YouTube, well, as promised, here's my Hoover bagless cyclone technology quick broom. So, let's see how it does in cat litter. Did like a but as you can see, it cleaned up perfectly. Just a few scuffs on the bottom plate that wouldn't come out. Got the price tag and everything cleaned off, and any paint scuffs that were on the handle. But one thing I can't clean, where the hell is it? It's that black scuff mark it left on my wall. I didn't try my oxy stuff. I'll try that in a minute. But yeah. Like I said yesterday, this was bought at my local Goodwill for $3. As soon as I saw it was Hoover, I especially had to snatch it up. It's pretty nice condition too, actually, to tell you the truth. Like I said, clean, extremely clean. So, thanks for watching.